Always take one step back when I come too close. Looking for perfection, although deep down I know there is no such thing as a perfect world. These are just excuses not to leave my comfort zone. If I fly higher, do I risk to lose it all? What happens if I break on through? What really happens when the dreams come true? There's a place of unknown I've been dreaming about for so long. Oh.